Pete Hegseth, Donald Trump's pick for Secretary of Defense, has found himself at the center of controversy due to serious allegations of spousal abuse. Hegseth, who made a name for himself as a military veteran and Fox News personality, is now facing intense scrutiny over his fitness for leadership, especially given his new appointment as Secretary of Defense. These allegations, which range from threats to physical abuse, have raised alarms among the public and political figures alike. Before marrying Jennifer Rocket, Hegseth was married to Samantha Hegseth. It's here that the controversy began to swirl after Danielle Hegseth, Pete's ex-sister-in-law, came forward with disturbing claims. In an affidavit shared with NBC News, Danielle revealed that Samantha allegedly feared for her safety during their marriage. She described a series of troubling incidents, including instances where Samantha felt the need to hide in a closet to escape Pete's alleged threats and mistreatment. Danielle, deeply concerned about the implications of these allegations, argued that Hegseth was unfit for political power, particularly in such a high-profile role as Secretary of Defense. Danielle didn't hold back in her affidavit. She stated, "I have chosen to come forward publicly at significant personal sacrifice because I am deeply concerned by what Hegseth's confirmation would mean for our military and our country." These words painted a picture of a man whose behavior might not align with the values expected from someone in charge of national defense. The allegations were not just personal grievances but raised serious questions about Hegseth's character and his ability to serve in a position of such authority. This wasn't the first time Hegseth's conduct had come into question. Political leaders, particularly from the Democratic Party, have been voicing concerns for months. Senator Jack Reed, a prominent Democrat, openly expressed his apprehension, noting that reports of sexual assault, alcohol abuse, and public misconduct had been circulating for some time. As I have said for months, the reports of Mr. Hegseth's history of alleged sexual assault, alcohol abuse, and public misconduct necessitate an exhaustive background investigation, Reed remarked. He further pointed out that the background check process surrounding Hegseth's confirmation seemed insufficient, especially given the gravity of these accusations. However, in the face of these allegations, Samantha Hegseth, Pete's ex-wife, took a different approach. She came forward to defend her former husband, stating, "There was no physical abuse in my marriage." She emphasized that she would not engage further on the subject, urging others to respect her decision to stay silent about their past relationship. Both Pete and Samantha even signed a court document refuting the accusations of abuse, seeking to put the matter to rest. Despite these efforts to clear his name, the shadow of the allegations looms large. As Pete Hegseth's confirmation for Secretary of Defense moves forward, the public remains divided, with many wondering if the seriousness of these claims will impact his ability to lead. The question of whether these accusations can be ignored or should be thoroughly investigated before his confirmation continues to be a point of contention.